A new sports automobile, the 2027 Toyota GR GT is also a proclamation of war against darkness. Despite the fact that we live in a battery and silence-driven age, Toyota Gazoo Racing has constructed an unprecedented supercar chassis based on a raging twin-turbo V8. This, the halo vehicle that follows in the footsteps of the illustrious Lexus LFA and Toyota 2000 GT, demonstrates that Toyota is more than just a maker of machinery. It is also a protector of the driving spirit. Not content to only build a brand new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 for this vehicle, Toyota has gone above and beyond. Along with the V8, there is a high-performance hybrid system and one electric motor. This is for torque-filling hardness, not fuel economy. As a result, we aim for a torque of 627 lb-ft and a horsepower 650 PS above 641. A newly constructed 8-speed automatic transaxle is located on the rear, and all power is sent to the rear wheels through it. This setup achieves a nearly ideal weight distribution of 45-55, which means the nose can turn while the rear grips and goes. Weighting in at around 3,858 lbs, 1,750 kilo, is an amazing goal for a hybrid V8 Grand Tourer in this modern safety era, and it marks the first time Toyota has utilized an all-aluminum body frame. As far as anyone can tell, GR GT is straight out of the 24 Hours of Le Mans grid. The AMG GT retains its conservative appearance, thanks to its adoption of the traditional short-deck long-nose profile. The primary and secondary aerodynamics govern the design. Those flashy features, a large hood vent, aggressive front splitters, and active rear wings are not ornaments, but rather instruments for maintaining traction at speeds of carbon fiber reinforced. Plastic is used extensively on the body panels, torque tubes, and drive shafts to aggressively keep the center of gravity low. The Brembo carbon ceramic brake gigantic housing is mounted on a staggered 20-inch center-lock style wheel that is covered in a big Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2-tier, 325 million at the back. In contrast to numerous contemporary supercars that have an arcade feel, the GR GT was personally designed by master driver Akio Toyoda Morizo, with an emphasis on feedback rather than lap time. With its red leather and Alcantara upholstery, the cabin is a driver-centered, focused workspace. It has a digital instrument cluster that is specifically for the driver, and, thankfully, a physical switch for traction, control, and driving mode, located on the steering wheel. This V8 is designed to moan, with a hot V turbo setup and a custom exhaust, and it promises to sound as exotic as European exotics that are up for hunting.